If you're someone who's been playing roulette, online or offline, and have already tried all the so-called tricks, tips, fake strategies, or softwares, but nothing ever worked, then you've finally come to the right place. Because let's be honest, roulette is not about luck, formulas, or shortcuts. It's not a magic trick. It's one of the most complex and misunderstood systems on this planet. And very few people truly understand how it works. The truth is, playing any game responsibly without falling into traps or emotional decisions is an education in itself. That's exactly why we created this learning platform, to help people learn, understand, and grow with logic, patience, and structure. Welcome to the official channel of Roulette Master. We've built a complete educational system, now available inside our official mobile app, where you can access over 200 free learning videos, clear strategy explanations, and real feedback from students who have already learned through our platform. There's no fake promise here, no fast wins, no guaranteed results, only structured, step-by-step learning based on experience and observation. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been playing for years but still feels stuck, this platform is designed to give you clarity and control. You'll find organized tutorials, in-depth guidance, and regular updates, all in one place, right inside the app. So, if you're serious about learning and ready to rebuild your foundation the right way, just click the link below this video and install the app today. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We'll continue sharing updates, new educational content, and insights every month. Thank you for watching. Learn smart, play responsibly, and grow with purpose.
Click on the link below and download the app now.